everybody, back with another video. This is going to be part 2 of the video from prior when I had the side part. I'm just going to do a sleek, flawless silk press on my wig unit here. I'm using the Erickaj wax stick, as you see me using, and the C-lux silky mist. They both are really great products. So once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and hot comb it, and I'm going to begin and show you how I do my silk press on my wigs.
Make sure that you do press out the wig to cover the tracks of the wig too.
Okay, so sorry about the lighting, guys. I thought it was on me, but looking at the video, it's not on me like I thought it was. It looked too bright, and now it looked a little too dark. So I'll get better at this YouTube thing in a minute. But yeah, just keep watching. You'll see the ending results. I'll be in and out of the video. And when using the silk serum, I don't even use a dime size of the silk serum, which is what I just showed you guys just then. I just spray the wig with the mist, and then I use that much of what I showed you guys of the serum, and it's really good, and I love the way it smells. So yeah, that's all I use. Not a lot of product in my wigs, never. So yeah, so right here I'm just replucking some of what I felt like I needed to repluck, and then I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and I'm gonna do my baby hairs and all that once I finish doing the silk press. So just keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just splitting it in two. Then you're going to see me pin one side of it up, and we're going to go into the flat ironing, and then we're going to go ahead and go into the pressing of it. And you'll see exactly how I do mine. When I want to like completely bone straight, I just go ahead and flat iron it and silk press it out with the hot comb. Okay, so as y'all see how long this wig is, it is a custom made unit that I made to actually fit my head, so I can wear it glueless or non-glue, but I did choose to wear glue this time. But usually when I'm doing this, especially a really sleek bone straight look, I would do it prior and then install the wig. But I did wear the wig with the side part. I slept in it and everything, had it in a bun and everything. So I had to go back and redo everything because I wanted a really sleek look for today. So that's what I did, but it still came out sleek like I wanted it. So just keep watching. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting. I did order another light, so hopefully the next video it will be way better. This lighting sucks, so my apologies again. So when sectioning my hair, I do sometimes pick up the silk and the mist and spray it in sections before I do the flat iron. which gives me sleek look, as you see me combing it right there. How sleek and shiny it is. I love that silky mist and the silk serum. But I just do it in sections. No particular spot that I'll spray it in. It's just like when I feel like picking it up and doing it in sections. That's about it. And that comb I'm using is a carbon comb. It's really good for when you flat iron your hair. It doesn't melt or anything like that. So you go to the beauty supply store. I know they have them at Sally's. So if you go to there, just ask for the carbon comb. It's really good when you flat iron your hair. And the flat iron is a Babyliss, a titanium flat iron. Okay, so now that I have flat ironed everything, so what I do is I go back in with my hot comb. So like I section that back section right there off, that middle part where you really can't see it, I section it off and I do it like row by row. And I go in with my hot comb, see right here, see me turned around and I'm looking at it. So I can see where I need to flat iron it. I'm sorry, not flat iron, hot combing it. And then I go in with the hot comb and press it out. And I always go in and I make sure when you slide it down that you use the back part of that hot comb, because it's gonna, like that, it's gonna press it out really, really good. That's just something my mom taught me. Use the whole hot comb, not just partial of the hot comb, but the whole hot comb. Okay, and just make sure when you're going in at the top right there that you part that section off and flat iron it and hot comb it to make it even flatter at the top, so that you can cover where the frontal starts and stops. See how flat it's getting now? And I'm going to go back in with the hot comb and finish it off, but you'll see it in a minute. Okay, you see that? See that shine and that sleekness? And that's real time. I didn't speed it up just so you can see how fluid it is. And my custom units are real thick and full, so I love it when it's really sleek and bone straight, especially when that's the look I'm going for. And right there, I'm just spraying my comb with the Gots to Be spray. And then I just comb through my hair, my wig rather, to make everything just look sleek and flat. You're going to see me do that with the edge brush as well, and I'm going to do it again on top of my wig and brush it out. That just to tame the flyaways and everything that I see that's going on, because I really want it sleek and crisp. Okay, and right here I'm just adding some LA Colors concealer to my part. And once I do that, I'm going to go in and spray some of that Gots to Be spray, the black spray, then the Gots to Be spray to seal that black spray in, just to finish the look off. Alright, that's the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and shop with me at hairsewpretti.com.